1 minute left.
Oh, yeah. Chill. Guys, you need to inch up. A little bit,
Guys,
just
Stella
a
right,
little bit.
Stella right.
Quality Stella right, guys. I'm gonna call the conflict. Calm down.
30
You
seconds left.
You need to conflict before you can hit your flash waves and tornadoes. Wait. Just stay.
10 seconds left.
Stay. Come, sleepers. Come, sleepers. Inch up, guys. Inch up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Defensive. Sleepers in. Now tornado. Flash wave.
Click that.
Spread. You spread. You got wipe.
Not yet.
Not yet. Give me info. I die.
I die.
You fight.
They're capping. We wipe. Capping point.
Come to Ants Nest.
I feel a special energy coming from you.
We're wrapping out A2.
RG Ants Nest. Inch up, son. Heal your party first. Come, all of you. Heal your party. Guys. Come to me. Don't go. Don't go yet. Come A2.
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 Okay.
On sun.
They're just staying in the rift zone.
Go A2.
All of you A2. It's okay. A2. Where's my bomb squad?
Here. I'm ready na may finish.
Try to bomb now.
Okay, wait.
Start inching.
Inching.
Start inching. Everyone start inching. Wait. Hold. You hold.
We're pushing.
Bombers. Info. Now, going. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Full dip. Tornado flash wave. Guardians. Tornado flash wave. Guardians. Defensive, everyone. Defensive. Heal your party.
I die.
It's okay.
Prayed. You cared. And you've come to the right place.
What happened on the defensive? What happened on bomb squad?
We bumped them at the back. We already put the damage on them. But they already sustained it.
Someone's flanking us also.
From behind?
Yes, idol.
Where we regroup? A2 again.
Okay. A2 again. I need Mephisto and what's the other one? Nagalolo party on B. B1. I need Mephisto and Nagalolo's party on B1.
We're gonna push with Naga's party.
No. You do your job. You do your own.
Okay.
Guys, come with me. Come on, son. To this P1. Let's go on 4.
Saan na banda yung main Zerg?
We're on 4. We're going on 4.
Jump down kayo na.
Yeah.
Let me know if gusto mo na kami pupush. Ready namin.
Guys, we're gonna jump down, okay? I
Ready,
need you-
ready.
All of you here.
Pupush na kami z mill pupush na kami.
Wait.
Yeah. Sekes party, you go A3, guys. Sekes party, you go A3. Astra, you go 10. Astra, you go 10. You go 10. Astra, you go 10. Sekes party, I need you on A3. I need you to bait them on A3, okay?
Yeah,
Sekes,
we bait them already.
you baiting them?
Yeah. They're low.
Nagalolo party, start inching. Come.
They're on us. On to.
Come.
They're on to.
We died now, we died.
Ha?
We died.
Okay, wait for
My
them
party,
again.
my party.
Nagalolo, your party dead?
No, not yet. They're
Come
on
back, come
to,
back,
pushing
come
us.
back.
They're pushing
Come,
us.
They're pushing us. They're pushing us.
Jump, guys, jump.
They at B3.
Defensive. I need flash wave on me. Flash wave. Sleeper scene. Shallow. Kill this guys on the ripstone. Nagalolo party, go to the ants nest, guys. Go to ants nest, okay? Now come back, guys. Come back to ripstone. Defensive. I need defensive. Heal. Spread, guys. Bombers, I need you in. Okay,
No,
go
cool
back.
down. Still cool down.
Come back. We got gonna go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go inside them. Flash wave tornado. Melee. I need you inside the ripstone.
We're in C3 now. We're inching up.
Come. We're fighting on the ripstone.
Go, push. Invi now.
Flash wave, tornado, flash wave. You all die. Info.
We try to bomb the ripstone. We're already bombed. They're low, but we died already.
It's okay.
We can retry.
Pray to Ina.
Did you all die on their engage? Yamete,
Yes.
just die.
I think they fully pushed Memphis and Nagas.
B2. They
Yeah,
push. Full
They
push.
pushed them away.
One more. You want that? One more. I dog.
Let's do that one more.
Okay.
Okay,
Let's do
30
that
seconds
one
on cooldown.
If you see they're pushing, kindly go back. Full back, guys. Don't let them catch you, okay? Come 10 again, come 10.
We
still
have 30
14
seconds.
minutes.
30 seconds cooldown pa man.
Okay.
Are you still pushing on 4?
Yeah, we're still running on 4.
Okay, we're going to A3.
Ready. B2 team.
Wait, it's lagging. Okay, I'm gonna heal you. Healer party. Check sun, guys, check sun.
Bomb is ready.
Okay. Where are they?
They're in the
Moonstone.
ripstone still.
Two.
Ripstone.
They're pushing. Go back. B2 team, go back. They're pushing.
You go back, guys, ha? Don't die. Come on the tree, guys. Come on the tree.
They're at pin 2 and B3. Go back.
It's okay.
We have all cooldowns summon mill. Okay, net mill.
Okay. Come A3 now. Bomb squad. I need you to bomb now.
Yeah,
I need you to bomb.
reaching up kami.
Guys, I need you to
C4,
bomb.
Yeah, we're inching now.
Inch now. B. Inch now.
They're at
Now
2.
fly down, guys. All of you, fly down. Come here on me. Defensive now.
we bomb now.
Defensive.
Marami na,
Gonna go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Big sleep done.
Come on, slip, tornado, flash wave, guardians, tornado, flash wave. Nice, we wipe them.
Nice one.
Come, kill them. Nice, you wipe them, wipe. You fight your all. DPS. Heal your party members. It's okay. Heal. Keep healing. Heal.
Bomb is regrouping.
Special energy coming from
Bomber regroup, please.
Yeah, we're regrouping now.
Dead as well. Wait. We killed so many, right? Why there's
Yeah.
still too many of them?
I think they sustained so much still.
Hindi, marami nag-push sa likod. Yung nasa likod, bumalik lang sa gitna.
I think that's from P3.
Okay. Let's try the other way. Main ball, come with me on 1. Naga party on A. Wait. I need tanks on 1. I need all tanks on 1. If your DPS go to A. I need only tanks here. Tanks. Also the healer go to A. Tanks come here on me. Let's try another strategy. I need all DPS on A. I need yeah. I need someone to call on A1 for flash wave, guys. I need someone to call A1 on flash wave. Benok, can you call? Yeah. Nice.
Mark me.
Come.
Your main zerg is changing.
Wait, yeah. Their main
Let
sir.
me know. We can each up.
Yeah. Bri, you go up. Can you go up? No.
Wait, 4?
Come with us on 1.
Okay,
You front the milies. Come. Fast. You need to front the milies.
Coming,
We are
coming,
at
coming
A1.
to one.
Yeah. DPS A1, tanks on B. Tanks on B. DPS on A1. Come. Inch up now.
We are
Over here.
at
Very
A1,
good.
moving to A2 now.
Okay. Guys, we need to sustain this for our DPS to kill them at the backside, okay?
Come everyone, all DPS on A2.
Guys. Inch up.
All DPS on
Wait.
A2.
Come back. Where's my bombers?
On me. Here. On your back. Just beside you.
Come.
Yeah.
Go in front. Going now.
Let me know when
Bombers
you
only,
start
Bombers
to
only.
engage.
Bomber. Seconds. Are
Guys,
you
guys,
in?
stay
Yeah,
on
we're
A2.
in.
Stay on A2 for now.
Defensive, guys. Defensive.
Or moving
Milies,
to A3.
Come. Move now.
Kill their backline.
Healers. Kill their backlines. Healers. DPS, kill their backline now. Gonna go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Guys,
Flash wave,
tornado.
flash
I need you, tornado. Tornado flash wave. Nice. You can kill them. Guys, go A1, guys. If you're dead, go A1. You just got run down.
Yeah. Dead.
Yeah, we just get around down.
Daming flash wave.
Yeah, it's okay. Okay, let's try one big surge.
Where?
On A. Here on me. On 5. Go to 5. Guys, I need you full heal. Everyone, full heal. On 5.
Even bomb going to.
Yeah, you go with us as well. You'll just go first, okay? Kill these mobs. Bombers, stop inching.
Start inching.
Start inching. Guys. Start inching, all of you. Walk. Bombers. I need you here on A3.
Yeah, we're pushing now.
Hold, guys. Hold.
Bam na, bam na.
Hold,
Bam,
hold,
we're
hold.
bombing, we're robbing.
Okay. Hold. Kill this guy shallow. Now, kill this guy shallow. Defensive, I need your defensive. I need your
We
defensive.
already bomb, we
We're gonna go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tornado. Flash wave. Nice. Flash wave. You spread. Can you cap, guys? Can you cap?
Copy, Amite.
Undox, try to cap.
If you can, you've come to the right place.
We got wiped now.
Pray to Einat. You
Get
will
wiped.
find what you have lost.
What do you think the much better approach? Three-way?
Pwede
Okay, let's
isa
try
pa.
the three-way again.
Pwede
Naga
isa pa,
Mepis.
Idog.
Yeah. Naga Mepis on B again. Main ball 210.
I mean,
Main ball
pwede,
10.
pwede isang main ball pa din.
Ma'am,
Late
gonna
yung
gi-
ano.
One main ball.
crossbow.
Sige.
Late
Bomb
yung
with DLC
crossbow.
4.
Late yung crossbow papasok.
Sige. Crossbow, you're gonna go in late, okay?
Yes,
Come
yes,
three. Start coming to 5. Start regrouping on 5. Regroup on 5. Heal your party. You can copy it, no guardian. Did you put Yamete as guardian? Shada?
No.
Okay. Can you put him now? As...
Wait.
Kill these mobs inside of us. Okay. Bombers, I need you on the back lane, okay? Once we go in, you go inside them. You peel them inside, okay?
Okay.
Come, start inching, guys. Everyone.
Help me.
Start inching. Just spread. Sleeper scenes. I need sleeper scene. Sleepers, I need sleepers. Flash wave now. Tornado now. Flash wave. Now bombers in now. Bombers in.
Yeah,
Try
we-
to
we
soak the
bomb.
damage.
We-
Go
we
behind
bomb.
them. Trying to soak the damage. Go behind them, guys.
Their backline has so many damage. Yeah. We died instantly.
I need summon gate, guys. Okay. No. Wait. Don't summon gate yet. Just come back here, guys. If you can come back. There's so many.
Ang dami.
It's okay. Okay. I need my party and Nagalolo's party on B. Benok, same. You go A, Benok.
Okay.
Benok.
Naga and my party on B. Naga and my party on B.
In the way.
Stay on A2 first. Stay on A2.
I need summon gate ready.
I will summon. Stay on
Kill
A2
these
for
mobs
now.
inside of us. Kill these mobs.
1 minute and 40 seconds.
Yeah.
Saan kayo da-drop sa A3? Yung summon?
Tapos Sekes party, go in front of the main ball.
Okay.
Pass, double time, guys.
They already summon gate.
They already summon gate now?
Yes, at the back of the Ripstone.
Okay.
Yeah, we're here.
We go 1 minute, guys. We go 1 minute.
You're already here on A2.
Ready. Come, start inching B. Start inching B, start inching B, start
Yeah,
inching
we're
B.
eating now. Eating
I
now.
need bombers go in, I need bombers to go in, I need bombers to go in.
Yeah, wait. We're inching up. Inching up.
In shop 2, everyone.
Bombers go in,
Pushing
bombers go in,
Pushing
bombers
na
go in.
sila 80.
Just in shop.
We're,
Just-
yeah, we're inching. We're inching.
Defensive guys, defensive, defensive.
They're
defensive.
pushing.
Just bait them.
Flashing
They're
83.
pushing Venox.
Let's bait them. Let's bait them.
Flashing E3.
Defensive here, defense now.
No one is in the reach.
Where's the summon gate? Where's the summon gate?
A3. Upper.
Come back, Ripstone. We got Ripstone. Come back. We're gonna go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I need you to go in. Flash wave tornado, everyone. Flash wave tornado. We need to hold this. Don't die. We need to hold this. Use the summon gate, guys. Use the summon gate.
Ooh, it's done.
Nice
Done.
try. Nice try.
Nice.
Nice try,
GG.
guys.
Nice,
We did good.
nice clash.
That's
Last clash is ano?
that's
very good.
SNC. It's okay.